Scanning with your phone? Scan with a scanner. Bring your analog images, documents, and text into the digital future faster and easier than ever before with the CZUR ET Series Scanner. CZUR's revolutionary technology enables an unprecedented scanning speed of 1 page per 1.5 seconds. That's 40 pages in 1 minute. Each scan becomes a high-resolution JPEG file. You then quickly convert these digital files into easily editable PDF or Word documents with our patented smart software included with your purchase.
It scans every single word, and everything that is scanned appears on the screen flat. This is the best tool I've ever used. It keeps me so organized.
If you're looking for a book scanner that gives you a clean, crisp image every single time, the CZUR book scanner is definitely for you.
With the efficiency and speed of the CZUR ET Series Scanner, an entire library can fit into your pocket and be navigated in mere seconds. Our patented book curve flattening technology produces clear, flat results without harming treasured books. It can also create high-resolution copies of important identification, certificates, deeds, or invoices. With blazing speed, organize and preserve your most important texts into an unlimited digital space. With the CZUR ET Series Scanner,